Introducing box packaging. Lid and base box, the most common box type. Lid and base box have a high cost-performance ratio. The book-style box comprises a cover and an inner box. Its shape resembles both a book and a flip-top box. Drawer box is a type of box with a sliding function, single or double channels with different functions. The double door box consists of left and right outer covers containing an inner box. It opened in various ways. Heart-shaped box. It comes in variations such as straight edge hearts, curved edge hearts, and multi-sided hearts. Windowed box. Have one or more windows, with transparent materials like PET. The folding box, consisting of a cover and side box, can be flat-folded. Irregular-shaped boxes feature complex and diverse styles, by hand for a more personalized touch, enhancing brand image.